Today, we read from Mark 1, verse 9 to 15. Round them time there, Jesus did come from Nazareth in a Galilee, and John did baptize him in a river Jordan. Same time Jesus a come up out of the water, him say heaven open up, and the Spirit a come down upon him like one dove. And one voice from heaven say, "You are for me one dege boy picnic. Me love you, and you make me heart glad." Same time the Holy Spirit caused Jesus to go in the desert, and him did there in the desert for 40 days. And when him did out there, Satan tried hard to make him do wrong. Him did out there amongst the wild animal them, but angel did a look after him. Now after them lock up John in a prison, Jesus go to Galilee go preach God good news. Him say, "A time now, God soon rule in a everywhere. Turn away from uno sin and turn to God and believe the good news." Mark 1, 9 to 15.